Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, your go-to channel for everything tech. And today we're taking a deep dive into Apple's powerhouse, the 2024 MacBook Pro with the M4 chip. This laptop brings the promise of incredible performance, cutting-edge Apple intelligence, and that stunning Liquid Retina XDR display. But how does it really hold up in everyday use? Let's find out. The MacBook Pro packs Apple's latest M4 chip, featuring a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU. For anyone who's familiar with Apple's silicon, you'll know this combination is built to handle intensive multitasking, productivity, and pro apps with ease. Whether you're browsing through dozens of tabs, editing 4K videos, or running heavy software like Adobe Creative Cloud, this machine doesn't flinch. For office work, you'll find that the MacBook Pro flies through documents, emails, and spreadsheets without a hint of lag, and switching between apps is seamless. Creative tasks like photo and video editing will feel like second nature with the power of the M4 chip under the hood. And for gamers, while the MacBook Pro isn't specifically built for gaming, it handles casual titles with ease, though demanding AAA games may require lower settings for smooth performance. Now let's talk RAM and storage. This model comes with 16 gigabytes of unified memory and a 1 terabyte SSD. The unified memory is a game changer. It allows the CPU and GPU to access the same memory pool, resulting in faster performance across the board. For everyday tasks, 16 gigabytes of RAM is more than sufficient, even for heavier multitasking or running memory-hungry applications. The 1 terabyte SSD ensures that you won't run out of space quickly, and its fast read-write speeds provide quick boot times and snappy app load times, even when handling large media files. Moving to the display, the 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR screen is nothing short of spectacular. With a peak brightness of 1600 nits, it's perfect for working in bright environments. The colors pop thanks to its wide P3 color gamut, making it ideal for creatives who rely on color accuracy. Whether you're editing photos or watching movies, this screen offers clarity and vibrancy that's hard to beat. The 120Hz refresh rate also makes for smooth scrolling and fluid video playback, which is a nice bonus. When it comes to battery life, Apple promises all-day use, and they deliver. With the M4 chip's efficiency, you'll easily get 10 to 12 hours of use, even under heavy workloads. If you're doing light office tasks or media consumption, expect even longer battery life. And when it's time to charge, the USB-C charger is relatively compact and can top up the battery pretty quickly. Though if you're looking for rapid charging, this might not be the fastest out there. But considering the efficiency of the M4 chip, this MacBook Pro rarely needs a charge during a typical workday. The keyboard and trackpad are both a joy to use. The Magic Keyboard offers responsive key travel, and its layout is comfortable for long typing sessions. The large trackpad is accurate and responsive, with great palm rejection, which is crucial for those lengthy Zoom calls or content creation. It's not just the basics that impress. Even small details like the addition of the Touch ID sensor make using the MacBook Pro feel more streamlined and secure. Connectivity-wise, the MacBook Pro isn't lacking either. You get 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, which support fast data transfers and external display support, along with an HDMI port, an SD card reader, and Wi-Fi 6. The Thunderbolt ports allow for future-proofing, as they support the fastest data transfers and multiple accessories simultaneously. That's great for users who need to connect to external monitors or docks. The Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 standards offer improved wireless performance for faster internet and better connectivity to peripherals. In terms of thermals and noise, the MacBook Pro does a good job staying cool. Under light use, it's practically silent, and even under load, the fan noise remains minimal. You might hear it during extended video exports or gaming, but it won't distract you during regular tasks. The chassis stays relatively cool to the touch, so you won't feel any discomfort if you're using it on your lap. Portability is another area where the MacBook Pro shines. At just 3.5 pounds and a slim profile, it's easy to toss into a bag and carry around all day. Whether you're heading to class, the office, or a coffee shop, this MacBook won't weigh you down. It's sturdy with an aluminum unibody that feels premium, and the display is protected by a durable glass panel, making it less prone to scratches and fingerprints. So, what's the verdict? The 2024 MacBook Pro with M4 chip is a fantastic option for professionals, creatives, and anyone in need of a powerful, portable machine. The M4 chip delivers exceptional performance, and its all-day battery life makes it incredibly reliable for heavy use. The stunning Liquid Retina XDR display is perfect for media consumption and content creation, while the solid build quality ensures this MacBook will last. It's not the cheapest option out there, but when you factor in the performance, build quality, and Apple's ecosystem, it's worth the investment. For students or casual users, it might feel like overkill unless you're looking for something that'll serve you for years to come without slowing down. But for power users, creators, and professionals, the MacBook Pro is hard to beat. It might not be the best choice for hardcore gamers, but for everything else, it handles every task with ease. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more tech insights. The link to grab this MacBook Pro is in the comments box. Drop a comment below if you've used the MacBook Pro or if you're thinking about getting one. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep on reviewing.